I think I'm actually going to dive into the box just because it might be better in terms of you guys being able to see what's happening, so bear with me. So now let's see what's inside my sewing box. So here I have some dressmaking pins, and they're great. Honestly, it's so nice to be able to work with them and make things, especially like pattern. So from a pattern to a fabric, it just works so well. But I haven't used them that much, I do have to say that. Then I have a tape measure. So this is quite standard, however I upgraded to this one. It was like £1.50, so it was really cheap. But the reason I wanted one that was quite big is just because it's so easy on the eyes. And you know, I'm a person that, even though I have good vision, I just love to have something easy and something that just doesn't make me that tired. Then here I have this little magnet, and this little magnet is so useful. So when you want to have, if you've seen some of my videos, I use this on the sewing machine, and what it allows me to do is quite magnetic, and you put it there and you just follow, so the fabric just sort of follows, and that allows you to have a very nice line if you're a beginner. I don't know if you're experienced, but I always love this because it just makes it so nice and neat, and I don't have to really focus on anything, just do it. So of course I have my little rubber over here, so for anything it's being used quite a lot. This is just like a little magnet that I have, you know, it's there. I might just take it off there to be honest. So here I have some pattern chalks. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Now let me tell you something, they actually don't work that well, if I'm honest. I was quite annoyed with them because every time I try to use them, they don't work really well, and they actually don't mark the fabric a lot. I don't know if that's because they're bad quality or anything like that. So I decided to buy actual white chalks because I feel they work better. I'm still trying with them because I paid money and I kind of want to use them, but they're quite disappointing at the moment. I don't know if it's because of the make. Again, I have a sharpener for my pencil, which to be honest, when I'm adapting a pattern or when I'm trying to be creative or just making a little design, which I am absolutely terrible at making, I just like to be able to have everything in hand. So a sharpener, my rubber, anything that I need, so stationery wise. Now this is heaven. If you're new to sewing, this is a must. These little clips are a lifesaver. It's so easy. It honestly just doesn't take much of your time, and it's great because you just don't have to use your pin, especially if you're teaching let's say your daughter, your granddaughter, grandson, whatever, like a child. They're so great. Just put your fabric, you know, clip it, and then you can just sew along. It does have its limits, of course. You're always gonna need a pin, but if you're just doing like a straight line or anything like that, they are absolutely great. So these are my scissors. So these are my fabric scissors. They're a lot bigger and they cut so well. But again, never mix your paper scissors with your fabric. Probably some of you have seen this, and I actually use it quite a lot when I'm making or adding something or modifying a pattern. Now what this is, it's like a ruler, so it allows you to push down or up, and for example if you want like 1 inch seam allowance, that's how easy it is. So here's the line of your pattern, for example, and then you just make another one right here. So you use your pencil and then you can just like a ruler, just do it there. And what it allows you to do is that you can just move around the pattern really nicely. Also, you can go circular mode if you do that, and it's just such a useful tool to have. I don't know, I really like it, so I recommend this as well. I have this. They are absolutely great. It's so nice. I love to have it quite nice and neat. So as you can see, even though this is not neat, the threads, but you get the idea. You can just put any of whatever color you want, and when you're gonna use them, you just simply take it away and that's it. They have bigger and they have smaller ones, but I think this is quite standard. This is absolutely amazing. So I recommend everyone, absolutely everyone to have one of these, if I'm honest. So what are they? They're for your pins. So whenever you are in the machine and you just using the machine and you just need to take out that pin, this is a life savior. Honestly, have this. Don't invest in anything else. It's really cheap. I think it was like £5, something like that. It's so good, honestly. This is a little sewing kit that it has a little history behind. My friend from university, when I went to uni, she didn't use it, and this was one of her kit that she got and she brought back. She doesn't like to sew, she will never sew, that's what she told me, and she said to always use it and to remember her. So I always remember her, and it's so sweet and it's so lovely. And then again, I was using this tape before. It's such a good thing when I'm trying to do, you know, hand stitch, and that is necessary. Again, I have fabric scissors, so you know, it's just such a cool kit to have. And this was my actual first line that I did, my first stitch on a sewing machine, so I always keep it there for memory. I don't know, I'm a bit sentimental to things, so I honestly love this little kit and I'm so grateful for her. Again, this is just spare threads that I have. They're quite small, they're quite useless, I'm not gonna lie, but then again, they're colors that I don't really use, and it gave me a bundle, so I was like, why not? So here, I love this. When I saw it, it's grey, I love grey, and I was thinking, if I ever need to use one, I will have one. And to be honest, I don't know why I thought about that, but yeah, it's just so nice. And you can just put your pins there, and it's just so lovely, honestly. And then what else do I have? I have again more threads, little threads. It came in a bundle. I cut them out because I didn't want to have unnecessary waste.